bounds exception. We discussed how to handle array index out of bounds exception. And number format exceptions, right? These all are runtime exceptions, right? Number format exceptions, right? And try catch finally we discussed. Try catch finally. You know what is try, right? Try will execute if exception not occurred. Catch will execute if exception occurred. Finally will execute either both cases, right? If exception occurred or not, in both cases the catch finally block will be executed. Now we discuss now throw keyword. What is throw keyword? Earlier whatever we discussed, those programs are system generated exceptions. For example, a runtime, you have written the instruction like this: C equals to A by B. At runtime, if you pass invalid inputs, then system generated. Sometimes you want to provide exceptions. You want to create exceptions, right? For example, I want to enter number. If you enter some other value, you should not accept it. Okay, those kind of exceptions. How to handle? See, once throw keyword. What is throw? How to create exception? Using throw keyword, we can create exceptions wherever we want. Using throw keyword, we can create exceptions wherever we want. Sometimes developer wants to create exceptions. Okay, in certain cases, system it won't generate the exceptions. Sometimes I need to generate exception in that particular case. Okay, how to create exception? We need to create object for the class. Arithmetic exception A equals to new arithmetic exception. This is a syntax, guys. Create exception object, throw that object. Now I want to write throw that object. Throw. This is in 2 steps. In 1 step also we can create. Okay, how to write in 1 step? We can write in 1 step. Yeah, throw keyword, throw AE. What is AE, guys? Here AE means new arithmetic exception. Just write that throw arithmetic exception. In 1 step also we can write that. Okay, now I will write a program how to create exceptions. Right? Sometimes always system generate the exceptions. Sometimes user wants to create exceptions in some cases or some scenarios, but system it doesn't provide any exceptions, right? Runtime, right? For example, I will show you how to create exceptions, right? Wherever we want. See, guys. Now I am going to write a one program. I want to read one value, that is n. Okay, I will read n value. My program is what? It has to, that program has to only accept positive numbers. That's all. That is my requirement. It has to enter only positive number. Other than positive values, any other inputs, it should not accept. That is my program. If it is a positive number, print that positive number. If it is a negative number, I want to create exceptions, guys. Okay. Then how to write? See once how to create exceptions. See once for a class sample, I'm going to write a program class sample series. Program execution starts from main, public static void main, string arguments. Now I want to read a number. Okay, just I give a message also. Execution completed and execution started. These two statements for confirmation. Right? Execution started. Execution started. Okay. I want to read a number using scanner class. That's why I want to import this class. Java.util.scanner. Take n value. See, I want to enter n value. See, system.out.println. Enter n value. I use print. Cursor will be in the same line. Enter n value. Yeah, how to enter n value? See, guys, we can enter int s equals to s dot next int. What is s? We need to create a s. Okay, what is s? S is a scanner class object. Create scanner class object here. Scanner s equals to new scanner of system dot in. Yeah, see this. Now scanner s equals to new scanner of system dot in. Okay, now we read the number, right? After reading, print that number. If positive number, if n is greater than 0, if n is greater than 0, print that number. I'm going to print that number. System.out.println n value is. Only it has to accept positive numbers. That's why I'm writing n value is plus n. Yes, if it is not positive number, I want to create exception. Okay, how to create exception we discuss, right? We can create object, right? How to write throw new which exception, arithmetic exception. Normally it won't provide arithmetic. If I enter negative number, it won't provide any, it won't create any arithmetic exception. But my requirement is I need to create an arithmetic exception if you pass negative number. See this. Now this is last line for execution completed. This is for confirmation. Once save this in our folder, you know that prg53.java. Save. Go to command prompt and compile this. Java is a compiler prg53.java. Yeah, it is showing I declared as s, right? Declare as n. N is s dot next is. Scanner system. S is capital here. System dot in, system dot out. System is a class. prg53.java. Java class name is what? Sample. Okay, enter n value. I entered 10, guys. N value is 10. Execution completed. Good. If I pass negative number, for example, minus 10. See, here it is creating exception. Exception in thread main java.lang. Array index of arithmetic exception. We are getting arithmetic exception at the 30th line. Okay. Now I want to provide one message. Okay, how to provide one message? See, I want to where exception is coming, keep in try block. Here exception is coming, right? We can keep in this else block in try block. See here. See, I want to keep everything here. We don't know where exception comes. This try block I will keep here. Try. Here exception it is coming, right? It will catch try will catch that exception. What is catch block? Okay. Here I will take exception. It will handle all kind of exception, right? Okay. Developer is functionality will print the message, but user functionality I will give system.out.println. Right here I want to write you need to enter only positive number. I give a message to the user this message, right? See, compile non-execute. Java 53.java Java sample. Okay, enter n value, guys. 10 I entered, n value is 10 and see program execution completed. If I enter minus 10, see the output. You need to enter only positive numbers. Execution completed. You understood? If I enter negative number, you provided exception. Okay. See, you may get a doubt. Same program I will write another way, guys. You may get a doubt, right? See, why I wrote a catch block, why I created exception. Instead of creating this exception, see, just that message, whatever you are providing message, you can provide, right? In else block only you can write that. See, instead of creating exception, remove the try catch. See, what will happen? If I write like this, what will happen? This one, sample one, this program, right? See once. system.execution started. Using scanner class, I read the numbers. S equals to next in. If n is greater than n value is plus n. Else, you need to pass only positive number. This is okay, right? If you negative number enter, this will execute. One second here. PRG54.java. Once compile this, what is the difference that program and this program, right? PRG54.java. Java class name is what? Sample1. Enter n value 10. Okay, it's coming. If I enter minus 10, okay. See once you need to enter only positive numbers. Okay, same output is coming. But check other inputs, guys. Enter n value. I entered Shiva, but you should not enter this, right? Here it is showing input mismatch exception. Okay, you understood? Here we did not handle this exception. If I pass Shiva, it is showing input mismatch. Other than it, not only means positive means if we enter any other numbers 4.5 input mismatch exception. Okay, go to the previous program and check with the try catch PRG53 Java sample. See guys, if I enter minus 10, it works. You need to enter only positive numbers. Enter Shiva also, right? Now see, I will enter my other input. See this. You need to enter only positive numbers. Enter any decimal values like this. You understood the difference. If I write a else block in this message, what is happening? If I write if I handle that exception, what is happening, right? You can understand, right? Why I wrote a try catch. Other than any input, if you enter, then it will handle those exceptions. Okay. Now, nested try block.